My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We have Kobe's dropping in about 30 minutes. Oh my god! Since I was able to cop this, I'm thinking about maybe buying more Nike accounts. Minor release tomorrow, we have Yeezy 380 reflectives. There we go. Finally, man. I did not want more than one or two. So we have a number of releases today, but the main ones that I'm going to be focusing on are the Yeezy 500s and the Jordan 1 highs. First up, we have Yeezy 500s dropping on Footsites. Footsites made some interesting changes as far as anti-bot again, so hopefully we can adapt without any issues. That was fast. What the heck? Oh my god. Bro, these are supposed to be really limited on Footsites. I have not used this bot in a long time, and wow. I don't know why I strayed away from this. Yeah, I literally zoned out, and next thing you know, Undefeated is going to drop in 1 minute. By that time, it was too late for me to start tasks and I got stuck in the queue. It looked like a lot of people hit using Kodai AIO, which was the bot that I was planning to use, but unfortunately, I zoned out and it's okay. We have Yeezy supply at 9 AM. Man, that sucks. Whatever, let's go. Why'd you have to tease me like that? That's crazy. It's like success past splash. Damn, yo, this drop is a disaster. I'm not even able to cop on Yeezy supply, and the stock is pretty good too. Man, no excuses that time, bro. I just suck. Let's go. Oh man, error processing. Damn, I should have went through, bro. Let's go. Oh my god. Fuck yeah. I should have made more of those private residential tasks. Holy crap, that's nice. Okay, checkouts are rolling in now. Alright, I got a lot of checkouts. I didn't actually realize how many I was copying until I started to look at my emails. And yeah, that's basically more than I wanted, but it's okay. I would say maybe like 20% of the orders got canceled. The drop is still going on right now, but I am going to be stopping because I do want to save my resources for the upcoming Yeezy 350 drop. And I'm starting to run out of data already, so definitely want to have some saved up for a more important release. Other than the fact that I zoned out during the Undefeated drop, not a bad day at all. we got 2 shoes in. First up, we got some mids. Holy crap, that is nice. I should have got more of these. What is wrong with me? These look sick. Whenever these restock, I'm going for more of these. Next up, we got my dream shoes, the Fire Red 4s. Unfortunately, this is not in my size yet. Those are coming soon. Can't wait for that. Surprised more people aren't going crazy for these. These are so freaking nice. These are iconic, and I can't wait to get these on my feet. Today we have a huge release. We have Supreme box logos. I don't really like running for Supreme that much, especially because I'm really bad at it. But when it comes to box logos, you just can't ignore box logos. It would just be silly not to run for it, especially since I have really good bots that support Supreme. I think this is the most prepared I've ever been for a Supreme drop, but I am still going into this with 0 expectations. I don't think I'm gonna get anything, but we just gotta hope that my setup actually works. Oh my gosh, so many processing. Did I do my keywords wrong here? Why is it not finding it? Oh my gosh, dude. Mango and Swiftsole cooked. Like, look at my setup right now. Look at my setup. How much money in bots is this? Thousands of dollars. How much is Swiftsole? Swiftsole is $50. Mango Prime is an extension bot. And they outdone all of this. Bro. Complete cookout on Supreme. That's J. How do you say that guy's name? Oh my god. What the. Bro. Toru destroyed 2. Basically, any bot that I didn't run, that's the one that hit. Now a lot of people are gonna ask me, oh, why didn't you use Toru? Why didn't you use this? Why didn't you use that? People ask me that all the time, every time I flop on drops, because the number of bots that you can run really depend on the resources that you have. You can't just take all of your bots and then just run them at the same time. If you only have a certain number of proxies, if you have a certain number of billing profiles, if you have a certain number of Gmails, if you have a ton of bots but you're limited on all the other resources, then you basically can't run all of them at the same time. So really what you got to do is just pick which you think are the most likely to hit based on previous drops. And yeah, I completely guessed wrong. Kodai, Cybervelox, NSB, Mech, they had some success, but they didn't like cook out, you know what I mean, like they usually do. But at the end of the day, it probably doesn't even matter, because even if I did use the bots that ended up working, I probably still would have taken an L. Since Swiftsole is a Supreme bot that's always in stock and it's relatively cheap compared to most of the other bots, and today, which was the day that really mattered, it outperformed the usual kings of Supreme. Naturally, some of you guys who are interested in Supreme who don't have this yet might check it out or maybe even buy it. So I contacted the owners of Swiftsole to see if I can get you guys a discount, and they agreed. So if you buy this bot with my discount code, you get $5 off, making the total $45 for a lifetime copy. As of right now, it only supports iOS devices, and so far it's proven to be very consistent and very effective at bypassing Supreme's anti-bot measures. But as always, it's important for me to give the disclaimer that success is not guaranteed, and that applies for basically any bot that you use. But since they have been quite consistent, I am definitely going to be adding this to my arsenal of bots for when I do decide to go for Supreme. Admittedly, that won't be that often, but since it is on my phone, which I don't normally use to bot anyway, it would be the perfect addition. We got a bunch of sneakers that came in the mail today. Onyx Reflectives in a size 9.5. 3 of these 500s came in. You know, it's crazy to me how like these were actually sitting when they first came out. They had really high stock, and anyone who just scooped them all up and ended up holding these were rewarded very, very handsomely. Fortunately, I wasn't one of those people. In fact, I think I passed on these altogether when they first released. And we have Jordan 1 metallic golds. Anyways, tomorrow we do have another extremely important release. We have the Yeezy 350 Breds. I think these are on par with the Mochas as far as most important releases of the year, and we gotta hope that we get a lot of these. And we actually might. The rumored stock numbers are very high. I believe over 500,000 pairs is what I've been hearing, but I do predict that this drop is going to be a mess. Since everybody wants these, every botter, reseller, every non-reseller. Nevertheless, we're going to be trying our best. Let's see how many we end up with. I got one already. Kodai, let's go. What bot is this? Is this Kylin? Oh, it is Kylin. Nice job, Kylin. Ganesh is actually insane. What the heck? Dude, I suck at these mountain captures. Let's go. I'll take it. I have 32 checkouts so far, not too bad. However, the bad thing is that around 70 to 80% of my footside orders are getting cancelled. I'm not sure why. Usually I never have issues with cancellations. I am running through data pretty quickly, so I stopped most of my footside tasks. I still need to save up some data for Yeezy supply. But I'm not expecting too much out of Yeezy supply because the last few times I ran it, I just kept getting so many declines. But the stock is going to be pretty decent, and I'm going to be running very, very good bots. Hopefully we can get some more checkouts. Oh, that's why. That's why I'm not checking out on Yeezy supply. It just had to be for this very, very important drop that this happens. Nice. What model number are these shoes? Oh, I got that. What do you mean, dude? Is this what you mean? Bro, what is happening? That Yeezy release went pretty smoothly, and I'm not saying that just because I got a decent amount of pairs. I'm saying that because in general, most of the major retailers that released these sneakers didn't have too many problems, unlike some of the more hype releases where it would just take for a really long time and there would be so much BS. The only BS that happened was the fact that a lot of my orders got canceled and my zip code was banned. I would say the only really big mistake that I made in this drop was not making backup tasks or backup billing profiles that had the zip code ban bypass. But otherwise, the drop was pretty fun and it wasn't that much of a pain in the butt as I thought it was going to be. Anyways, we did get a pair of shoes that I've been waiting for a long time. These are the shoes that really got me into sneakers, and I finally got myself a pair, and it has Nike Air in the back. So I'm gonna be trying these on. These are pretty sick, very happy about it. Anyways, tomorrow we do have some very colorful Jordan 1s dropping. Are we going to be able to get our hands on those as well? We're gonna have to find out on the next episode.